Here's a fact that sounds fake, but isn't. You are glowing right now. Not metaphorically, not inner beauty nonsense. Your body is literally emitting light. You just can't see it, because it's about 1,000 times too dim for the human eye. Scientists call this phenomenon ultraweak photon emission, and researchers have known about it since the 1920s, when a Russian scientist named Alexander Gurwitsch first noticed cells seemed to be communicating with light. But it wasn't until 2009 that a team at the Tohoku Institute of Technology in Japan actually captured it on camera, using ultra-sensitive equipment that could detect single photons. Here's what nobody tells you. This isn't some mystical aura. It's chemistry. Your cells are constantly running metabolic reactions, burning through oxygen, producing energy, and that process creates unstable, excited molecules called free radicals. When those molecules calm back down to a stable state, they release a tiny burst of light. Multiply that by trillions of cells doing it simultaneously, and congratulations, you're a very dim, very biological light bulb. But here's the part that's actually wild. That 2009 study found your glow isn't constant throughout the day. It rises and falls on a rhythm. Your face, in particular, glows brightest in the late afternoon, around 4 or 5 p.m., and dims to its lowest right around 10 a.m. Your body has a literal light schedule, and nobody bothered to mention this to you before now. Let's talk about why this actually matters, because it's not just a cool party fact. Researchers believe this biophoton emission could eventually be used as a non-invasive way to detect oxidative stress, basically cellular damage, before it shows up as an actual symptom. Some early studies have explored using it to spot inflammation or even early-stage disease, because damaged cells tend to emit more light than healthy ones, not less. So somewhere in a lab right now, a scientist is essentially trying to build a flashlight that reads your health status, which is either the coolest or the creepiest sentence you'll hear today. Possibly both. Here's the reframe that should mess with you a little. You've spent your whole life thinking of your body as this solid, opaque thing. Skin, bones, done. But you're actually a constantly humming chemical reaction, quietly leaking light with every breath you take, every meal you digest, every step you walk. You're basically a nightlight nobody plugged in. And no, before you ask, this has nothing to do with tanning or sunburn or glow-in-the-dark stickers. This light comes from inside. It's happening in the dark, in your sleep, right now, whether or not anyone's watching. So next time someone tells you to let your inner light shine, you can tell them, actually, biologically speaking, it already is. It's just running at about 1,000th the brightness of a candle, so don't go canceling your electricity bill just yet. You're not just alive, you're quietly luminous. Science just needed 60 U's and a very expensive camera to prove it.